Hi, I'm Julia Buzatil Nishimura.
I'm Haruki.
And we are cooking a really simple, beautiful plum dish. It's called a clafouti. It's a French pudding and it's so quick and easy to make. And you can actually make it with lots of different fruits. So berries, blueberries, raspberries are beautiful. Today we're using plums. It takes no time at all to make and it is super delicious and one of my favourite desserts. So should we get into it? All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the sugar into this bowl. Do you want to do that, Haru? Perfect, it all goes in. Amazing. And then we're going to crack in 3 eggs. So do you want to do the cracking? Yeah? All right, so on the side, thumbs into the crack. Yep. And then open it up. Perfect. And we're going to do another one. Thumbs in. Beautiful. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to give that a whisk, and I'm also going to, yeah, you can do it. I'm also going to split a vanilla bean, the vanilla pod, and get all the beans out of that and put that in with the eggs and the sugar. So that just gets a little whisk. Good job. So I'm going to scrape that with the back of the knife. That can go in like that. Do you love vanilla? I love vanilla. This is kind of like making a custard actually. This used to be my job in the kitchen when I was baking when I was your age, always doing the whisking the eggs and sugar. Good job. All right, next we're going to add in some milk. Do you want to pour the milk in?
All of it?
All of it, yeah, all of it can go in. And I'll whisk as you pour it in. Beautiful. Whisk that, and then next we're going to sift in some flour into this bowl.
It feels really light now.
Feels light, doesn't it? You love sifting, don't you? Do you want to add the flour in here? We're going to leave that there. And you can pour the flour into this bowl. So sifting it is going to keep the custard really nice and light. How about you tap it? Good job. So it's so great getting them involved in all these little jobs, isn't it? It's very fun. We can cook together. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to pour in the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. So I'm going to whisk as you pour it in. So the beautiful egg custard. Yeah, good job. That's pouring in. And we're going to whisk it just until it's smooth.
It keeps changing colour.
I know. Let Mummy get the lumps out. And then we're going to also pour in some melted butter. So can you do that? Slowly, slowly. Beautiful. And it's as simple as that. This is the pudding part of our beautiful clafouti. So all of that butter goes in. Some of my favourite things, butter, eggs, vanilla. Perfect. And then I have a job for you. Do you think you can do it? All right. I have this dish here, which I have greased with butter and we've put in some, what do you think that is?
Butter. And salt.
And sugar. And sugar. And that's going to create a beautiful crust on the bottom. So what we need to do is we need to put all of these gorgeous plums, which I've cut up. You know, cooking with kids is so much about colour and, you know, you eat with your eyes and especially kids love lots of different colours. So I've got some different varieties of plums. You can just put them randomly or you can arrange them in a line, up to you. He becomes the boss, I'm the sous chef. Are you head chef of my kitchen? Okay, so now all we need to do is pour this beautiful egg custard on top of the plums and it's ready to bake. You ready to pour it in? Okay. Let's turn it around this way a bit. Beautiful. Amazing. So you can see the plums are just poking out and the custard is going to puff up in the oven and it's going to be delicious. So I almost forgot, but we're going to top our, our clafouti with some raw sugar, which is going to go crunchy in the oven, and also some beautiful almonds. You love almonds, don't you? Are you going to do the sprinkling? Yeah, okay. And this is why we love cooking with eggs, because we are definitely making memories together in the kitchen. Aren't we, Haru? All right, ready to bake. I think it's ready. Should we open the oven and check? Oh my gosh. It looks amazing. Looks so good. It's very hot. So I'm gonna put it on this board. And you can see it's still got a little wobble. Do you wanna try some? Yeah. It's all puffed up, those beautiful eggs. Would you like some cream with it? Yeah.
The cream makes it cool.
It does cool it down a little bit. That's a very good tip. That's something you taught me. Oh, look at that. All those gorgeous plums in that custard. Here's a spoon for you. And that's for you, my love. Thanks for helping me cook. That was so easy to make, wasn't it? Let me give it a little try. That is so perfectly cooked. Still a little bit wobbly in the center so the eggs aren't overcooked. Nice and puffy and all that beautiful fruit. For inspiration on how to make your own meal to remember for your loved ones, head to australianeggs.org.au/meal to remember. Did you have fun? Love you so much. Thank you.